Alright guys, today we're doing a review of these 365 Everyday Value Veggie Chips. Non-GMO, so yeah, less than 3% fat. These were on sale for Black Friday. I think they're dairy-free, I'm not sure. Let's double check. So it may contain these things, may. So potato flour, sunflower, safflower oil, tomato puree, spinach, salt, turmeric, and beet powder are your ingredients. That's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, obviously. And let's open this up and do a quick taste test. I've never tried this brand, so I'm kind of curious what it tastes like. Like I said, they're on sale for Black Friday, so. And that's what they look like. Okay, so you guys probably saw my review on the veggie straws. They taste exactly like the veggie straws, just in a flat, chip form. Yeah, exactly like the veggie straws. Sort of like potato starch, powdery, crunchy, sort of like a pressed version of potato starch. That's pretty much what it is. It's like slightly crunchy, not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.